Hello lovely people, welcome to my channel. Thank you for clicking my video. In this video we shall be looking at how to remove Snapchat My AI. Yes, this time around we shall be looking at how you can easily delete Snapchat My AI. So I will need you to pay attention and follow me step by step. The method I'll be teaching you guys today is very simple. So you need not to root your device, and also this works in every country, so it doesn't matter your location. Now before we start, if today happens to be your first time on this channel, just subscribe with those, turn on the notification icon and be part of this wonderful family, so that anytime I upload a new video you might be the first person to watch it. Now without wasting much time, let's get started. Now in the first place, all you need to do is to open your app store or your play store. Now once you open your app store or your play store, then you search for your Snapchat. Now once you search for your Snapchat, you need to make sure your Snapchat is updated to the latest version. So if your Snapchat is not updated to the latest version, you need to make sure it is updated to the latest version. Now once you are done, all you need to do is to go ahead and then open your Snapchat. Now once you open your Snapchat, all you need to do is to swipe to your right, and then you can see the first option says My AI, and you can see the My AI on Snapchat over here. Now in this case, all you need to do is to just go back and then type and hold on My AI on Snapchat, and you can see chat settings. Just click on that. Now you can see mute notification. In this case, all you need to do is to mute notification of Snapchat My AI, and in this case you won't get any notification from My AI. I hope this video is very helpful. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and also turn on the notification button, so that anytime I upload a